Hi everyone, what is up? Hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. So as you guys have seen in the title, we are going to have a hair update. So it has been a month and 3 days since I have dyed my hair pink, and I use Joico Color Intensity Pink and Soft Pink. So just to give you guys like a brief background, the history of my hair, I've went through like a lot of stages, and then the last color that I have was more of like brown. So I ended up stripping it using, very safe ingredients. And after that, I deposited the hair color. So if you guys are interested to see that as well, I'll definitely put the link down below. So anyway, just to give you guys like an idea, the first 2 weeks after I have pink hair deposited, my hair, I wash my hair once a week. And then, after that, I've been washing my hair 3 times a week or sometimes every other day. And I was just like, you know what? My hair fades faster than my graduation. It is so insane. So also, just keep in mind that the hair will fade depending on what shampoo you use, of course. There are times that I have used dandruff shampoo, because Head and Shoulders specifically, because I can't help it. It really smells so good. And of course, I also have professional shampoo and conditioner too, but I don't have any conditioner, meaning those conditioners that has like color deposits that is safe to use for the hair as well. I don't have any of those. So that's it. And this is what my hair looks like right now. Obviously, I'm having a treatment. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to wash this off, and then I'm going to blow dry it to make it just like, look. I'm just going to blow dry it. And then I'm going to show you guys what it looks on natural lighting. I do not know why I bought like a bunch of color, but at this point, my hair is so crunchy right now that I don't want to deal with it. I just want to cut it all off. But if you're like me that loves the length of the hair, it's so difficult because you want to keep the length, but it gets so tiring. And it's summer, and I feel like, oh my gosh, I feel hot, my hair is crunchy, and now I look like a mushroom. So I'll be back, you guys. And I'm going to let this marinate for a little bit more because I want to be extra like that. And then I will be right back, okay? Okay, so just to give you guys a recap, this is what my hair looks like after I deposited the pink and soft pink. And as you guys can see, the color, it is so vibrant, it is so intense. Absolutely love it. Obviously, in this video, I did curl my hair with a 1-inch thermal curling iron, and on the next video is what my hair looks like after. And I told you guys that I'm going to be doing a thermal, but I just realized, like, you know what, why not show you guys what my hair looks like when it's naturally air dried. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like right now. I know it is not the prettiest, but as you guys can see, once you bleach your hair and once your hair is damaged, in my opinion, there's no going back. Like, it's literally dry. It's so fragile. I'm in the middle of just really cutting it off into a pixie and start from the beginning. This heat and this hair is literally driving me nuts. So if you guys see me with short hair, don't even wonder. But the thing is that you're probably wondering, like, why are you going to keep that length if your hair is like that? Well, honestly, you can't really tell the damage if it is curled. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you are still not part of the Sassy family, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.